Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is the difference between descriptive and predictive analytics? Descriptive analytics and predictive analytics are two different types of data analytics that serve different purposes. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing and describing historical data to gain insights into past events or trends. It involves analyzing data to answer questions such as what happened or what is the current status. Descriptive analytics uses basic statistical measures such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviation to summarize the data and identify patterns or anomalies. Data visualization techniques such as charts, graphs, and dashboards may also be used to make the data easier to understand and interpret. Descriptive analytics is useful for gaining a high-level understanding of a particular phenomenon or situation. Predictive analytics, on the other hand, uses statistical and machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or trends. It involves identifying patterns and relationships in data to make informed forecasts or predictions, and can help organizations to anticipate future outcomes and make better decisions based on data. Predictive analytics uses techniques such as regression analysis, decision trees, neural networks, and clustering algorithms to identify patterns that may be indicative of future events or trends. Once a predictive model has been developed, it can be used to make forecasts or predictions about future events. In summary, the main difference between descriptive and predictive analytics is that descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing and describing historical data, while predictive analytics uses statistical and machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or trends. Descriptive analytics provides a foundation for more advanced types of analytics such as diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, while predictive analytics is useful for identifying opportunities for optimization and helping to make more informed decisions based on data. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the process of representing data in a visual format, such as charts, graphs, and maps, to help people better understand and interpret the data. It involves taking complex or large amounts of data and transforming it into visual representations that can be easily and quickly interpreted. Data visualization can be used to identify patterns and trends in data, compare different data sets, and communicate complex information to others. By presenting data visually, it can help people to quickly identify important insights and make informed decisions based on the data. There are many different types of data visualizations, including bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, heat maps, and infographics. Each type of visualization is suited to different types of data and can help to highlight different types of insights. Effective data visualization involves choosing the right type of visualization for the data being presented, ensuring that the visualization is accurate and clear, and using color, labels, and other design elements to enhance understanding and interpretation. Data visualization is an important tool for data analysis and communication, and is used in a wide range of applications, from business and finance to science and healthcare. Why is data visualization important? Data visualization is important for several reasons. 1. Facilitating data analysis. Data visualization can make it easier for analysts to identify patterns and trends in data. By presenting data visually, analysts can quickly identify outliers, correlations, and other insights that might be difficult to identify by looking at raw data alone. 2. Communicating data insights. Data visualization can help to communicate complex data insights to a wider audience. By presenting data in a visual format, it can be easier for non-experts to understand and interpret the data, and to make informed decisions based on the insights. 3. Improving decision-making. Data visualization can help to inform decision-making by presenting data in a way that is clear and easy to understand. By providing decision-makers with visual representations of data, they can quickly identify trends and patterns that might be relevant to their decisions. 4. Enhancing data storytelling. Data visualization can be used to tell compelling stories about data. By presenting data in a visual format, it can be easier to engage audiences and to convey key insights in a memorable way. 5. Improving data quality. Data visualization can help to identify data quality issues. By presenting data in a visual format, it can be easier to spot errors or inconsistencies in the data, which can then be corrected. Overall, data visualization is important because it helps to transform complex data into insights that can be easily understood and acted upon. It is a powerful tool for data analysis, communication, and decision-making. What are the common data visualization tools? There are many different data visualization tools available, ranging from simple charting tools to more advanced data visualization software. Some common data visualization tools include 1. Microsoft Excel. Excel is a popular spreadsheet program that includes a variety of built-in charting and graphing tools, making it a common choice for creating basic data visualizations. 2. Tableau. Tableau is a popular data visualization software that allows users to create interactive dashboards and visualizations using drag-and-drop tools. It supports a wide range of data sources and can be used for both simple and complex visualizations. 3. Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service that allows users to create interactive visualizations and reports using a variety of data sources. It includes a range of data connectors and visualization tools, making it a popular choice for business intelligence applications. 4. Google Charts. Google Charts is a free tool that allows users to create a variety of charts and graphs using data from Google Sheets or other data sources. It is easy to use and can be embedded in websites and other applications. 5. D3.js. D3.js is a powerful data visualization library that allows users to create highly customizable visualizations using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is commonly used for creating interactive and dynamic visualizations on the web. 6. R. R is a popular programming language for data analysis and statistics that includes a wide range of data visualization tools. It includes a variety of built-in visualization functions and also supports third-party visualization libraries such as ggplot2. 7. Python. Python is another popular programming language for data analysis and includes several data visualization libraries, including Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. Overall, the choice of data visualization tool will depend on the specific needs of the user and the complexity of the data being visualized. What is a dashboard? A dashboard is a visual display of key performance indicators, KPIs, and other important data points that are relevant to a specific business or organization. Dashboards typically provide an at-a-glance summary of performance metrics and other important data points that allow users to quickly and easily identify trends and insights. Dashboards are commonly used in business and organizational settings to help decision-makers monitor and analyze performance data and to make data-driven decisions. They can be customized to include a variety of different types of data, such as sales figures, website traffic, customer satisfaction scores, and more. Dashboards can take many different forms, ranging from simple spreadsheets or PDF reports to interactive web-based dashboards that allow users to explore data in real time. They are often designed to be visually appealing and easy to use, with intuitive navigation and clear visualizations that make it easy to identify key insights and trends. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.